Feeling sluggish and bloated? I bet you'd like to wake up feeling lighter and more energized. Who wouldn't? Try these 3 simple overnight kidney detox drinks to refresh your body and boost your energy. And the best part is they work while you sleep, and they're so easy to make before bed. An overnight kidney detox can help support kidney function and overall health by flushing out toxins and promoting the elimination of waste. While the kidney's job is to detoxify the body, you can enhance this process with these 3 drinks and get the benefits, such as reduced bloating, better fluid and electrolyte balance, and improved energy. Here are 3 effective overnight kidney detox drinks. Number 1. Lemon and ginger water. This combination is a simple but powerful detox drink that can help cleanse the kidneys. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones and prevents their formation by increasing urinary citrate levels, which bind with calcium to prevent stone formation. The high vitamin C content also helps build the immune system and promotes detoxification. Ginger, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory compounds and is loaded with antioxidants which help reduce inflammation. This combination of lemon and ginger can aid in digestion and detoxification. Preparation. To prepare this detox drink, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of hot water and add a few slices of fresh ginger. Let it steep for about 10 minutes before drinking. Consuming this drink before bed can help stimulate the kidneys and promote detoxification overnight. Number 2. Herbal tea blend. Certain herbs have diuretic and detoxifying elements that can support kidney function. An herbal tea blend containing ingredients like dandelion root, nettle leaf, and parsley can be very effective for an overnight kidney detox. These herbs help increase urine production, flushing out toxins and excess fluids. The dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urinary output and helping to flush toxins from the kidneys. It also contains potassium, which can help balance electrolytes. Nettle leaf is known for being an anti-inflammatory and helps to support kidney function. It also increases the elimination of waste products and can reduce symptoms of kidney-related issues. Parsley is another natural diuretic that helps increase urine production. It also contains antioxidants and vitamins that support overall kidney health. Preparation. To make the tea, combine 1 teaspoon of each of dried dandelion root, nettle leaf, and parsley in a teapot. Pour the boiling water over the herbs and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and drink it before bed. Number 3. Watermelon and cucumber smoothie. Watermelon and cucumber are both hydrating, refreshing, and diuretic. These fruits can help support kidney detoxification and are rich in water content. Both provide essential nutrients that aid in the cleansing process. This smoothie can revitalize your health and energy and is an effective way to rejuvenate the kidneys overnight. Watermelon is made up of about 92% water, making it extremely hydrating. It also contains a compound called citrulline, which can help remove ammonia from the liver and kidneys, as well as being a diuretic. Cucumbers are another hydrating food that supports kidney function. They contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys. Preparation. To make the smoothie, blend 2 cups of watermelon with seeds removed and 1 peeled cucumber. Blend until smooth. For added detox benefits, you can include a handful of fresh mint leaves or a squeeze of lemon juice. Drink this smoothie in the evening to help flush out toxins and hydrate the body overnight. More tips. While these detox methods are beneficial, maintaining overall kidney health involves several lifestyle and dietary practices. One of the most important habits you can do for your kidney health is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps the kidneys remove waste and toxins from the blood and prevents kidney stones. 2. Limit salt and protein intake. Excessive salt can increase blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Similarly, high protein intake can increase the kidneys' workload. 3. Eat a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can support kidney health. Foods high in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens are particularly beneficial. 4. Avoid toxins. Limit exposure to environmental toxins and avoid excessive use of medications that can strain the kidneys, such as NSAIDs. 5. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help maintain healthy blood pressure and weight, reducing the risk of kidney disease. An overnight kidney detox can be a gentle and effective way to support kidney function and overall health. Whatever method you choose, these 3 natural remedies can help cleanse the kidneys and promote detoxification. Remember to pair these detox drinks with a healthy lifestyle to maintain optimal kidney health. If you have existing health conditions, always consult your physician first. If you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.